Can we start? Although it's a little bit difficult to start with after having, you see, chai or something.
No, no, we are good.
Yeah, I understand. उसके बाद तो फिर हम दूसरे जोन में we are in some 7 or 8 now. Let me quickly make you understand with a little bit of ethical usage of AI, because we are going to now use usage of AI, and then we will go ahead with the hands-on session, and then we will start writing some research paper. Right? So quickly let's cover it, and then we will move ahead with the ethical usage. With the usage of AI tools. I was wondering that you left. I thought only one international participant was there, and my first round was so bad that he left the class. So thank God you are still here. Otherwise, some subconscious mind, in my subconscious mind, it would have keep hurting me. मैंने ऐसा क्या पढ़ा दिया वो भी भाग गया. Anyway, let's quickly cover the ethical usage of AI in research. What we have to cover, that human responsibility and the accountability. Now, see what is going to happen. The moment we are going to generate something out of AI, it will definitely give you some references, right? And to check those references is your duty. To check those references is your duty. Otherwise, what may happen, they can generate the references from any word, or the entire AI can hallucinate and give you the result which is not existing even. Right? So the accountability and responsibility lies upon the candidate only. You cannot say कि मैंने ChatGPT से यूज किया था, और the declaration is there, but आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि उसका जो ethical usage था AI का, उसने मेरे को ये references दिए हैं, उसने मुझे ये references दिए हैं, ये आप ऐसा नहीं cite कर सकते. Right? So entire accountability, because we are going to start with that. So before going to start that, let me clear some ground rules कि आपको किस बातों का ध्यान रखना है. You have to focus on that responsibility lies on you. You cannot say कि this is not my references. This is the references generated by the ChatGPT or Cloud or Perplexity or Gemini. उसने generate करके दिया, then it is 100% true. No, it can't. Right? To give you some interesting facts on this particular thing only, references के मामले में, we have come to know by the Supreme Court only that the Andhra Pradesh High Court has given one decision through the ChatGPT. Right? और जो केस साइट किए थे उन्होंने, they were not in existence. They were not in existence. So see how the level of usage of the AI has been incorporated in higher level as well. To give you one more point, to give you you may find that particular decision. अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही आया था. You will find that particular note that just search that Supreme Court has on the citation of the cases. आप Google out करेंगे आपको मिल जाएगा. Even I will let you know, one of the top good consultancy firm from the India has given a consultancy to the Singapore firm, and they have generated a papers of approximately 500 to 600 detailed paper report has been given, out of which 400 papers were the AI generated. And all those consultancy was being given on just because of the hallucinations of the AI, right? Which do not exist in the real world. So you are accountable for your work, right? You can, at the time of moment of defense, आप ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि the data analysis was done by the ChatGPT. I do not know anything. I am not aware about each and every fact. Right? So entire accountability and responsibility lies on a person who is citing those papers and giving the references. So make sure that interpretation, statistical analysis, each and everything you have cross-checked and you have done your homework. Right? AI can assist research, but the accountability cannot be delegated to the AI. Right? Now, transparency and disclosure, again, you have to check for each and everything. Literature discovery, again, I'm telling you about the models, concepts which you are building. You have to cross check by yourself, right? अगर उसने कोई concept और model बता दिया है और जो कि exist ही नहीं करता है, then entire responsibility is of yours. You cannot back out at that moment of time. कि नहीं, this is not mine. This is generated by the AI tool. Any reflection from this particular picture? Any reflection from this particular picture? What you are trying to understand in this particular picture?
We are going higher.
You are going higher, okay? Step by step.
Universe में चले जाते हैं।
AI
यूनिवर्स
generated.
में जा रहे हैं और यूनिवर्स में कब जाते हैं? मतलब इन अ फिजिकल वर्ल्ड हम यूनिवर्स में कब जाते हैं? हाँ, definitely. And my question is again on that particular point only. How do you come to know and when did you start feeling that I am entering into that particular universe of Cloud9 world type of thing? See, something like that is there.
Mind is engrossed in nature.
You are browsing the
Engrossed in nature.
engrossed in nature, okay? And when did you, by sitting over here only, sir, when did you go and engross the sort of a nature?
Following a tough path to gain that wisdom.
Okay. Is this type of a feeling that ये जो philosophical feeling है, does it take you, is it not taking into some different world?
एक सेल्फ एस्टीम अचीव करने के बाद ऐसा कुछ समथिंग
Big achieve करने के बाद.
या सेल्फ एस्टीम
Okay. And okay, you are Maslow's theory man. Connected somehow. You connect with some of the theory. Good. Definitely. See, the point over here is that this is a type of a hallucination which you used to get after getting something. When you start thinking more of your points, right? You hallucinate by yourself. And that is what your AI also do. That is the problem of AI as well. They give you the answers with their hallucinations as well. They keep on imagining, and then they used to provide the paper, right? Or generate the paper which is even not existent. So before using any of a AI tool, you have to be very smart with these tools, right? See. Every AI generated sequences must be independently verified from the reliable academic sources. That is your part of it. You cannot cite the simple paper, and you cannot skip with your responsibility, right? Protection of research data and privacy, that is an important point. Wherever from you are collecting the data, you have to make it very private and cannot disclose or encrypt the privacy of the given persons, right? It can be of any patients, it can be of any student, it can be of any faculty, it can be related to the finance, it can be from patients, any person, right? So you have to protect their research data and you have to give your privacy over there. Informed consents have to be taken by those particular people. And the problem with the AI tool can be, it can be biased even. Right? So you, being a researcher, you have to be very much clear that you cannot bias. Right? पहले normally हम करते क्या हैं जब हम किसी research problem पे जाते हैं, the moment we used to think about any research problem, no? So out of human nature, we get biased with something. हमें आंसर मालूम चल जाता है. मैं आपको बताता हूँ, मैं अभी अगर आपसे कहूँ कि 29 में किसकी सरकार आएगी, तो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आवर सब्जेक्टिव ओरिएंटेशन हम वो बात करेंगे कि राहुल जी की आ सकती है या तो फिर मोदी जी फिर से आ सकता है, ठीक है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन सब्जेक्ट. अभी देखिए हमने सिर्फ ये पूछा है कि which government is going to be formed in 2029. It can be a research question, right? Which government is going to be formed in 2029, which can be a research question. Now this research question, although my orientation may be towards Congress or my orientation towards BJP, but I have got one answer. In my mind, I have got one answer that no, the government is going to be repeated, or no, this time the government is not going to be repeated. But being a researcher, we could not bias towards these sort of answers. Right? Now, let's quickly completing this particular ethical usage of AI. मैं लाइट आएगी तो मैं आपको इसके बाकी सारे पॉइंट्स को भी कवर कर देंगे. Before moving ahead, can we quickly come down to some AI tools? Right? So let's open the laptop. And if you wish, Meanwhile, जब तक ये लाइट का इशू सॉल्व होता है, let's can we if we are in a short of laptops or something like that, can we have a group of 2 people sitting together with the intention that they or me or ma'am are writing a paper on a common ground? कुछ ऐसे सोच लेते हैं जैसे कि हमें सबको आइडिया मिल जाए और फिर हम उस पर बाद में जब आप अपने घर जाएगा तो फिर एक बार दोबारा जो भी आपका टॉपिक होगा, रिसर्च टॉपिक, व्हाटएवर द रिसर्च ऑब्जेक्टिव यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, यू कैन स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, राइट? सो लेट्स क्विकली come up with one of the idea related to your research topic, connected with your research topic, whatever you feel like कि आज हमें इस टॉपिक पे रिसर्च करनी है, जो आपको समझ में आ रहा है, just frame that particular question for yourself, write that particular question for yourself, and then we'll start writing on the AI tool as well, right? So अभी for the time being, जैसे 2 लोग कोई भी साथ में जो काम कर रहे हैं ना, वो साथ में बैठिए, अगर लैपटॉप आपके पास नहीं है तो साथ में शेयर कर लीजिए, हम साथ में देखते हुए चलते हैं और फिर उसके बाद हम उसमें आगे मूव कर जाएंगे। तो So any topic which we have decided from my right, extreme right, आपने कुछ सोचा? What is your topic, research topic? Okay. Okay. Just give me a second. Last. Have you thought anything? नहीं. ये टीचरों की बड़ी परेशानी रहती है, हम पकड़ लेते हैं कहाँ पढ़ाई हो रही है और कहाँ नहीं हो रही है। हाँ, have you thought? Okay, the objective here over here is let's quickly connect and let's quickly cover the topics and Jotted, please go ahead.
Impact of consumer behavior in omni-channel marketing for in Nike product.
Good. Any other marketing person? Good. People see to do research. Why I like marketing people is that they can get data easily.
Yeah.
Marketing के साथ एक प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि they can get a data easily as compared to the finance people. As compared to the finance people, little bit थोड़ा सा tricky हो जाता है क्योंकि you have to go again to the Yahoo Finance and then connect it from the Yahoo Finance and or some other open databases, stock market के, from where you have to scrap those data, right? It's little bit difficult, but yes, you can play with the data in case of marketing. Marketing is generally a good field where you can do many research, right? Okay, let's quickly come to first point. एक मेरे पास research का question आ गया, एक उधर से आ गया. Ma'am, what you have thought? Good evening. Okay. Now, first point is to cover our question, research question, and second point will be to connect our literature. What are the literature available for it? Right. पहला एक tool open करिए, connected papers. Go with the connected papers. Open in your laptop with the name of connected papers, AI tool connected papers. इसमें net available है?
Net के